Let's kick things off by comparing old wood to modern sintered stone, as we look this week at the oldest versus the newest options out there. Welcome to Materials Month. I'm your host, Andre Baros. All month long, we're diving into Ace Lab's Materials Hub to give you side-by-side materials analysis. We're not just showing you these materials, we're comparing them and helping you understand exactly how they perform with detailed insights that you can use for yourself. Let's dive into the Materials Hub. So continuing with the theme of old and new, I want to start today with wood. So I'm going to linger for a second here and talk about this wood. I love it so much I got a sample. So I want to share with you first sample on the show. Check that out. This is both old and new. So it is a reclaimed wood material, old, turned into a new product, new. Let's dive in and check it out. Just jump over to my projects where I've got a comparison ready to go right over here. So what do I mean? Well, Slatted has worked out the supply chain where they're taking reclaimed wood, cleaning it up, and turning it into a new product. And I've just got so much respect for the work that goes into this and the beauty of the product that they're getting out of it. I reclaimed some wood for a project years ago, and it was so much work to pull out all the nails, clean it, not ruin my tools working on it. And I did not get anything nearly as beautiful. They're getting really, really beautiful products. I think part of it is that they've found a reliable source of woods that you just can't get anymore, like old teak, and are cleaning it up into really gorgeous things. So check it out. Great stuff. I'm hoarding my sample over here. The other one I want to talk about, at the other extreme, is this product from Mitrex and Cladify, which is a prefab facade panel, but in particular, they're doing it with a building integrated photovoltaic, PV. And you probably are thinking, well, yeah, PV is most effective on the roof, and we all agree PV is more effective on the roof than on the wall. But that's not always true, and sometimes your roof isn't enough space. So 2 examples. One, you're just doing a building with a lot more facade than roof area. Being able to have an off-the-shelf sort of turnkey plug-and-play facade that generates renewable energy is pretty incredible. But the other situation that I think people don't think about enough is when it snows. When it's snowing, your roof is not generating electricity. Your facade is. And I've read about a couple of projects lately that are taking advantage of that to be able to generate renewable energy year-round, even when there's snow on the roof, which is kind of exciting. And again, they've got a turnkey solution, so you're buying a facade and then just plugging it in to get electricity. Great stuff. The other one is sintered stone, and I'm going to scroll down here to the dimension section for a second, because what's amazing about sintered stone is the size and the thinness. Really kind of cutting edge material. Their panels are what? Roughly 3.6 by 10.6 and available in an 1/8 inch thick or thin, right? That's really incredible. One other thing just to really quickly talk about when I'm down here in the dimension section, you'll see as you use our website that sometimes we have standard dimensions or custom dimensions. Sometimes we're missing information altogether and it says request data. In some situations, that's because the manufacturer doesn't have it available and we can't just make it up. But often it's because the manufacturer is willing to work with you to get what you need. So using Slatted again, right, they've got standard sizes, wood thickness for maybe a floor, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, or in this case, cladding. But they'll also work with you to find material and get it to whatever dimension you want, right? And so that's where we've got sort of both options, trying to be accommodating on our website to whatever we find. Obviously, lots and lots of data here. Dig in, check it out. And that's it for today's material comparison. Of course, you're the expert on your project, but maybe we're sharing something that fits your particular design, budget, or circumstances. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts and material ideas. So be sure to visit us at acelabusa.com to view all of these materials and so much more inside our Materials Hub. And remember, we're always here to help, so go pick your favorite material and go make it real.